So guys, I kind of died, and yeah. Please ignore the people in the background, though. They're just my brothers. So I'm pretty sure y'all can see the screen better, but I don't know if y'all can see me better. So I have to do the curtains in the background there to make it like open. Actually, I might do that right now. So I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's see who's gonna be Spider this time. Oh, it's me! It's me! Ah! Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ! Yes, I am. Did I say hi? Hi. Oh, did I say hi? Hi. That's my little brother. He's playing with you? Who? Your little brother. Huh? No. You're my little brother. Yeah. You can play with me if you want to. I do. Okay, then go get your tablet. So guys, you can buy different skins with spider things, spider coins. I have the soldier. My objective is to kill and have web traps. If y'all see these, that means you can climb it. And if I fall from here, it'll stun me. So, he's lagging out, so I'm not gonna get him. So, I'm gonna place the web right here. There we go. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that, but sure. He's dumb enough. Oh my gosh, he's dumb enough to go outside, bruh. Bruh, you're dumb enough to go outside and get killed. Ugh. Okay, so there's probably new people to the game, so I wouldn't be mean to them if you're a pro at the game. Oh, don't escape. You're no escaping. Oh, some people have been using the terms. Ooh, you blow one of the things up, you'll be dead. That was dark. No one has even come out here yet. Wow. We were. Oh! No mercy. No mercy. No mercy. Bruh. He probably raged and quit. Bruh. Bruh, you're dumb enough to go out. Oh, shoot. Bruh, you're dumb.
Hey, I'm gonna go on a run.
You are?
Yep.
With who?
With myself. You don't have to run. You can ride your bike.
Okay.
You wanna come?
Yeah, sure. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna go do a run. So
Are you
I
running
will.
or are you riding your bike?
I'm riding my bike.
I'm going to go on the block. So.
Okay. And I will see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.